Your brain's clock is the master switch for alertness, and it's reset by a specific type of light within 5 minutes of waking. Let me ask you something. You wake up at 6 a.m., shuffle to the kitchen, stare at the coffee maker like it personally wronged you, and wonder, why does my brain feel like it's still buffering? If you're over 60, you know exactly what I'm talking about. That thick, foggy, where are my glasses and also who am I feeling that clings to you for the first 2 hours of your morning. Scientists have a name for this: sleep inertia. But here's what most people don't know. Sunlight is the single most powerful switch to turn that fog completely off. And most of us are using it completely wrong. Today, I'm giving you 5 specific sunlight habits rooted in circadian science that can literally rewire your morning brain. Let's go. Habit 1. Get outside within 10 minutes of waking. Your brain has a master clock called the suprachiasmatic nucleus. Yes, that's a real thing, not a Harry Potter spell. Every morning, it's waiting for one specific signal: light hitting your retina. When you walk outside within 10 minutes of waking, even on a cloudy day, you deliver roughly 10,000 lux of light to your eyes. Indoors, with the curtains drawn, you're getting maybe 200. That difference is the difference between your brain rebooting or staying in screensaver mode. Habit 2. Keep your eyes open. No sunglasses for the first 5 minutes. I know, but here's the science. Photosensitive cells in your retina, called intrinsically photosensitive retinal ganglion cells, try saying that 3 times fast, need direct, unfiltered light to signal your brain to suppress melatonin and spike cortisol in the right way. Sunglasses block that signal. Just 5 unshaded minutes. That's it. Habit 3. Move while you get that light. Walk, stretch, water your plants outside. Any physical movement during morning light exposure increases norepinephrine and dopamine, accelerating the fog-clearing process. You don't need a marathon. You need 10 minutes of gentle motion in natural light, and your brain will thank you loudly. Habit 4. Delay your coffee by 90 minutes. This one hurts, I know, but hear me out. When you wake up, your body is already releasing cortisol naturally, your internal wake-up signal. Coffee spikes that cortisol even higher, creating an artificial peak, which is followed by a brutal crash around 10 a.m. That crash is why you're reaching for cup number 3 by noon. Delay your coffee by 90 minutes, let your cortisol peak naturally with sunlight, and your mental clarity lasts dramatically longer. Habit 5. Anchor your wake time, even on weekends. Your circadian rhythm is not a suggestion. It's a biological system that runs on consistency. When you wake at different times on different days, you're essentially giving yourself jet lag every single week. Researchers call it social jet lag. Pick a wake time, stick within 30 minutes of it daily, and combine it with morning light. And within 2 weeks, that brain fog starts showing up less and less. Now, here's where I want to mention something. A lot of people doing everything right with sunlight habits still struggle because their magnesium levels are depleted, which directly impacts sleep quality and cortisol regulation. And poor sleep makes morning fog almost impossible to shake. A product that quietly became a game changer for thousands of people over 60 is magnesium glycinate. It's the most bioavailable form of magnesium, crosses the blood-brain barrier, and supports deep sleep and nervous system calm without making you feel groggy. Think of it as giving your brain the foundation it needs so the sunlight habits can actually land. We've linked a highly rated magnesium glycinate supplement in the description below. It pairs almost absurdly well with everything we just talked about. Like peanut butter and your prefrontal cortex. So there you have it. 5 sunlight habits that don't cost a thing, take less than 15 minutes combined, and are backed by some seriously fascinating neuroscience. Your brain isn't broken, it's just waiting for the right signal. Go outside, today, right now even. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.